friends, welcome to BrainyBuddies. Can you guess what we're going to learn today? That's right, we are going to learn 10 tips to unscramble words. So, unscrambling words might be difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you're unstoppable. Tip number 1, start with the first letter. So, my friends, look at the first letter of the jumbled word. Then, try and think of other words that start with that same letter. If the word starts with S, then think of other, you know, words that start with S. Sorcerer, settle, sharp, science. Your jumbled word might be one of the words that you may find out. Let's see with an example. Observe the first letter of this word closely. Try. It's bridge. If you observe the first letter closely, you will notice that it's B and bridge starts with B. But this might not work always. Tip number 2, look for patterns. My friends, search for groups of letters that look similar and that recognize common word parts. This can help you to recognize certain words. This is a great tip. Let's try with this example. Just observe every letter closely, see if there are any patterns forming or there are any groups of words. The word is beast. That was very easy. Tip number 3, rearrange letters. Now, this is a very important tip, guys, because your scrambled word is not going to unscramble itself. You must move the letters around. You can write them down or move them mentally in your mind. So you can also create different word combinations and find the right word. Let's try with an example. This is a big word and you can rearrange the letters in this one. Think, and think. Okay, moving on to the answer. We have library. Did you rearrange the letters? Then great job if your answer was correct. Tip number 4, use context clues. What are context clues, you might ask? Think about the topic. Think about the theme of the word. Imagine you are playing a game with your classmates. Okay? Consider the context of that game. Consider the theme of that game. It will give you clues about the word. Let's see. I'll give you a hint. The theme of this word is animal names. Unscramble the word. You have horse as your answer. Did you did you listen to me when I gave you the hint? It was animal names and horse is an animal name. So these context clues are very important. Tip number 5, sound it out. To get a word, you must also recognize the sounds of the letter in that word, right? Similar words might come to mind if you get the sounds of those letters. Big word again. Sound out each and every letter. If you did sound the letters out, then you must have got an artist. That's very nice. And it's also easy. Tip number 6, prefixes and suffixes. What are prefixes and suffixes? Prefixes and suffixes are smaller words or parts of words that you may find at the beginning of the word or end of the word. The prefixes are un, re, pre, and more, and suffixes are ed, ing, li. Breaking it down can make it easier to unscramble the word. Try it now. Unzip. Now, we have a prefix for the word. It's un. Zip is a word and un is a part of the word. Unzip means to open the zip. Tip 7. Word knowledge. Think about words you already know. Look for matches like synonyms and antonyms or any words related that might match the scrambled letters. So, try it. Think of synonyms, think of antonyms, think of anything related to the letters that you find in the word. You got stars, right? Superb. Tip number 8. This is very essential. Don't give up. Keep trying. And don't give up if it's challenging at first. Practice always makes a man perfect. Right, my friends? Ask for help also. Tip number 9. Use visual aids. What are visual aids, you might ask? Create flashcards with jumbled letters and use your creativity to make them more colorful or eye catchy or sparkly. Use any of your artistic skills to make it more creative, and these visual aids will help you to remember the unscrambling of scrambled words. Tip number 10 is play word games. Engage in very fun word games like crossword puzzles and word searches and word jumbles. These will help you have fun while learning how to unscramble words. So, those are a great games. Now, few bonus tips for you. Practice, practice, and practice. You need dedication and curiosity if you want to unscramble these words. Seek help if needed because you will get doubts, you will get wrong, but that is the way to success. And do not give up. Okay? Now, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about unscrambling words in this video. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment any words that you unscrambled today. Thank you. Bye bye.